Hi friends, welcome to today's session. Today we will see Pretty Printer option in ABAP. So this Pretty Printer option will be there in all the places where you can write an ABAP code. Mean to say, whichever possible places where an individual can an ABAP program in SAP, all those places we could able to see one button called Pretty Printer in our application toolbar. So we will see today what exactly that Pretty Printer option is all about and when to use that Pretty Printer and what are different possible settings associated with it. Okay, as you're aware, pretty, the English word defines making your something beautiful, right? Or more appealing. So same way, even our code also should look appealing or beautiful. If the code looks beautiful or it can be easily read, its block and other parameter, you can easily understand. Even any other person can easily understand. So likewise, even our Pretty Printer also will make sure our program or code looks neat, tidy and properly aligned. So let us get into the system and see what exactly this Pretty Printer will do. Okay, let me log into remote desktop. So I'm in an SC38, which is an ABAP editor transaction code. You can see I'm going to a program wherein there is a sample program is there. So you can see over here, this is an ABAP editor, right? Any place where we can write an ABAP code or which will allow us to write a code is an ABAP editor. We can write a ABAP piece of code over here, correct? ABAP code. So you can see in the application toolbar, we have some button called Pretty Printer. Okay. This button will be there in all the places, be it in your user exit, be it in your body, be it in your SC24 classes, every places this particular button will be there. Okay, what does this particular button will do? We will see in a while. So let me click on this button. You can see the success message below which says Pretty Printer complete. So there are some settings associated with this Pretty Printer. What are those? Let us go over there. Utilities. In order to see the settings associated with Pretty Printer, from the options menu we have to choose utilities, settings, then we will get a pop-up window. Okay, in the pop-up window under ABAP editor you can see editor related settings and something called Pretty Printer. Okay, in the Pretty Printer you can see there is a indent checkbox is enabled. Okay, if we enable this checkbox our code will be properly indented. Okay, at the same time you can see uppercase or lowercase. With these settings, with indent you got to know our code will be properly aligned. What is that? Aligned. So I have removed or unchecked the indent checkbox also. I am disabling uppercase lowercase also. Let me click OK. Now what I will do, let me show you how the indent work. Assume that this is my ABAP code. See, as you can see over here, the lines are not properly aligned. So if it is hundreds of lines of code, if the code is not properly aligned, obviously it will look odd and also it is not properly readable. So now let me save this and activate this program. Let me click on Pretty Printer. Nothing is happening, correct? Because in the Pretty Printer we have disabled all the options. So now let us go back to settings again, and under Pretty Printer let me choose indent checkbox. Only indent checkbox I am choosing. Okay, so now let us click on Pretty Printer. You can see our code will properly align. Clear? So what does that indentation will do? Indentation will make sure that your code look properly or properly aligned. Clear? Now at the same time, as you are aware, ABAP is case insensitive. ABAP programming language is case insensitive. Mean to say, whether you write code in uppercase or lowercase, it doesn't matter. So just by changing the settings, all this code can be converted into either uppercase or lowercase. Only hard coded string will not be converted because it's a literal input, correct? So let us go to utilities. Now you can see entire code is in uppercase except our hard code string. Now everything will be converted into lowercase. Settings, Pretty Printer, you can see uppercase or lowercase checkbox I have enabled. Either you can convert everything into lowercase. Click on Pretty Printer. See, entire code is converted into lowercase. It doesn't matter. It depends on the client to client. Some client will prefer you to have everything in lowercase or everything in uppercase. But all over the world, majority of the client, they will follow all these blue color keywords, right? All of these are called SAP reserved keywords. Keywords uppercase. So let us go back, choose settings. Under Pretty Printer, you can see uppercase or lowercase. Under that there is something called keyword uppercase. What this setting will do, it will convert all the SAP reserved keyword. For example, in this program, report, data types, right, everything into uppercase. Rest everything will be there in lowercase. Let us click on Pretty Printer. You can see all SAP reserved keywords are converted into uppercase. Clear? So using this Pretty Printer option, what you can do, we as a ABAP programmer can make our program look very simple. Okay, let me take one big program wherein uh, let us see how the indentation works. See, in this program, maybe what I will do, I will do this, maybe else also I will place somewhere here. See, my code is looking very odd, correct? If the indentation is already enabled, all you have to do is just go into the edit mode of your program and click on your Pretty Printer. Automatically the code will be aligned. Also, in our case, we have enabled SAP keyword as uppercase. That's why you can see all the SAP keywords are in uppercase, rest everything in lowercase. So like this, you can make your program look very simple and properly aligned by using Pretty Printer option. Okay, so hopefully as part of this session you got to know the importance of Pretty Printer in an ABAP editor. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also share this information with your colleagues and team members so that they will be also aware of SAP best practices. If you are looking for online training on SAP ABAP, BI, BW ABAP, HANA native modeling or BW related ABAP, feel free to reach out to me on my mail ID, that is venugopalmn1988@gmail.com. You can also call me on my mobile number, that is +91 followed by 973 998 3992. Thank you so much guys. Have a good one.